Adding a blog to your WordPress site is easier than you might think. In this video, I'll show you how to add a blog on WordPress. So to get started, go ahead and open WordPress on your device and then head over to the Pages tab once you're signed in into your WordPress account. So go ahead and head over into that Pages tab, and then from here, click on this Add Page button, which you'll find at the right side of the Pages label. And that will take you into a new page where you can actually set up a new page on your WordPress site. So name this as blog, and then go ahead and click on this plus icon at the top left of your screen to add items to your blog. So if you search for blog on the element section, you'll be able to find some blog templates that you can use for your page. So go ahead and search for that, and then once you scroll down, you'll be able to find this presets that you can use for this page. So simply select the preset that you want to use for this page. So for example, I want to try using this. I'll simply click on that and that will pop into my page. So if you want to remove it, simply click on that delete button on your keyboard and then select that block that you want to remove, and that blocks would be removed. So select the preset that you want to use and then customize it depending on your preference. And then once you're satisfied with it, you can go ahead and publish it by clicking on the publish button at the top right of your screen. Now, once you have published this, you need to go ahead and head back into your WordPress homepage. So click on that WordPress icon at the top left of your screen, and that will take you to your homepage. Head over to settings, and then once you're on your settings, head over to the reading tab and then set the post page to blog. And that is how you can basically add a blog on WordPress. Make sure to save the changes on your settings before you proceed on customizing further your blog page.